have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Cousins came home. Today, Gattu Chinky's aunt and cousins Meera and Banku came to their house. Gattu Chinky became very happy after seeing them.
Hey, Meera, Banku, you both have come to meet us after so many days. Both of you will stay with us today, right? We will have a lot of fun. Yes, Auntie, you will stay today, right?
Yes, we will stay today. Then you guys can enjoy a lot with Meera and Banku.
Yay! Come on then, Meera, Banku, let's go to our room. We will have a lot of talk and we'll also show you our games. I'm sure you will enjoy. Okay, Chinky, let's go.
But kids, the dinner is about to get ready. When I call, please come back.
Okay, Mummy, we will come. Come, let's go, Meera, Banku.
Then everyone goes to Gattu Chinky's room and start playing with their new game.
Wow! Gattu, this board game is really amazing. Yes, Meera is right. Meera, Banku, I am saying that we will not sleep the whole night today. And we'll play these amazing games the whole night. And we'll have a lot of fun. Yes, Chinky, good idea.
Then Mummy comes over there and says to Gattu Chinky,
Gattu Chinky, Meera Banku, come on, the dinner is ready.
Okay.
Then Mummy, Papa, Bua and all the kids sit together and have dinner. And talk a lot. Just then Mummy says,
Meera Banku, you both will sleep with your mummy, right, in the guest room?
No, Mummy. Meera and Banku will sleep with us in our room. Please, can they sleep with us?
What? This means you guys will have a lot of fun till late night.
No, Papa. We will sleep soon. We will just have fun for a little while.
It is fine, kids. But Gattu Chinky, this is your responsibility to take out the mattresses from the cupboard and put them on the floor, okay? And yes, spread the bed sheets and take out the new cushions too.
Yes, Mummy. We will do everything. Come on, Meera, Banku and Chinky. Let's go. Yes, let's go. But kids, the dinner. It is done, Mummy. It is done. Yes, our stomach is completely full.
The kids leave half of their dinner and go to their rooms. And as soon as Gattu Chinky go, they open the cupboard and take out the mattresses from it.
Here, Chinky, catch it and put it on the ground properly. Yes, Gattu Chinky, you both put the mattresses and I and Banku together will put a bedsheet on top. Okay, this will make the work easy.
Then Gattu and Chinky put the mattresses together. And Meera Banku spread a bedsheet on it. Then Gattu takes out new cushions from the cupboard too.
Look here. Now our beds are ready. I say that we all will sleep on the floor together. What do you think, Chinky?
But Chinky was talking to Meera and she did not listen to what Gattu said. Then Gattu picks up a cushion and throws it at Chinky.
Ah! Gattu! What are you doing? You are not listening to me, Chinky. Here, Chinky, take your revenge with Gattu with this cushion. Thanks, Meera.
As soon as Chinky picks up the cushion, Gattu also picks up another cushion. Then Meera and Banku also pick up their cushions and start cushion fighting amongst themselves.
Take this. Take this. Whoever falls first will lose. Here, Gattu. I am not going to lose either. And me too.
Hearing the noise of the children, Mummy comes there. And she says in anger,
What is all this, kids? Come on, stop it. And now turn off the lights. This is the time to sleep, not to play.
Seeing Mummy, everyone gets absolutely quiet and stands.
Okay, Mummy. Just give us 5 minutes. We will definitely turn off the lights.
Okay, it's fine. But be quick.
As soon as Mummy leaves, Chinky says,
Gattu, Why did you ask Mummy for 5 minutes? Because I have an amazing idea, Chinky. What is that, Gattu? Look, what is in my hand? This is another bedsheet, Gattu. Yes, and with this we will make a tent. And then after turning off the lights, we will light the torch inside the tent. Then no one will know that we are still awake. Wow! Great idea, Gattu. Let's do it. Yes!
Then all the children start making the tent together.
Chinky, close the end of this with the handle of the cupboard there. Yes, like this. And this one there.
In a short while, Gattu, Chinky, Meera, Banku's tent is ready. And they turn off the lights and enter inside it. Gattu also lights up a torchlight.
Now what should we all do? Come on, all 4 of us will play Ludo together. Yes, this is a good idea.
Then Chinky brings out the Ludo. And all 4 start playing together. But in the middle, Meera says,
Gattu, Chinky, if we had noodles to eat now, it would have been more fun. Yes, Meera is right. I too feel like eating noodles. There must be instant noodles in the kitchen. If we go over there quietly and work slowly, then perhaps we can make noodles without making noise and waking up Mummy. But there is a lot of fun in this, Chinky. Hey, Gattu, if we have to eat noodles now, we will have to take a little risk. Okay, fine. Let's go. But slowly.
The 4 quietly come out of the room and take a torch and go to the kitchen. Chinky takes out the noodles from the box very comfortably. But as Gattu takes out the pan, a cup falls down. And Mummy wakes up because of the noise. She quickly comes to the kitchen and gets surprised seeing everyone like this.
Hey kids, what are you all doing?
Sorry, Mummy. I was feeling hungry, so we came to make noodles. Yes, Mummy. We thought that we should not disturb you and make it ourselves.
Oh, Gattu, Chinky. I have told you both many times that you will not do any work involving gas in the kitchen without me. And still you came here and you both bought Meera and Banku too.
No, Mommy. We also said that we want to eat noodles. Gattu, Chinky did not do anything wrong.
Meera, don't try to save Gattu and Chinky. Well, come on, tell me which noodles do you want to eat? Cheese one or spicy one?
Children get very happy after listening to Mummy's words and quickly say,
Cheese ones!
Then Mummy makes noodles for everyone and feeds them. And then they all go and sit in their tent and start playing Ludo. When Mummy comes to their room after some time, she starts laughing seeing them. Because Gattu, Chinky, Meera and Banku were sleeping together inside the tent after getting tired and were looking very cute.
How are these people sleeping? Let me take a picture of them.
Mummy takes a picture of all of them with her phone. And then after covering them with the blanket, she goes to sleep herself.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.